My name is Kavita Ganesh and I'm the proprietor of GKM Ladders. We are running this industry since 15 years and basically this is my family born business. My grandfather started this industry in 1957 and I'm the only female who is doing this industry. There's no other people in India who runs an aluminum ladder segment industry as a female. So I'm proud to say that. And I've supplied to many vendors in India, many big companies like Coral Manufacturing, L&T and ISRO. We have supplied many material. So we are not left only to higher end people like corporates or MNC, like small entrepreneurs who have a street work business. We even support them by providing van, this food truck and all. We do all customized work. Earlier, I was connected with advertisement portals like India Mart, Just Dial, and Trade India, or Google One Business page. Only through these portals, I was doing my business, and I thought that was the biggest network where I can do business. So once after I was introduced to Xcodefix, there my entire development changed. So whatever I was doing initially, that actually doubled and tripled after doing an SEO with them. This was mesmerizing. Like I was just doing business of around 30-40 customers with India Mart or any other portals. It just developed by 60 to 70 customers after entering into an SEO segment. So I highly recommend, it's a must to have an SEO for all concerns in order to develop the industry from a level to reaching a greater heights. So considering me, the most important products which I sell and the most highest budget products are these aluminum tower ladders, aluminum scaffoldings, scissor lift tables. These are the high budget materials. So after having a contract with Xcodefix, I found the most of orders which I got in the past scenario like 6-7 months. I found a greater change of orders incoming to our industry rather than the smaller segment ladders. These ladders have boosted a lot and we have done many sales especially for this tower ladder and scaffolding material. So I really feel proud. This has changed a lot into our industry. Regarding this journey with Xcodefix, we initially didn't have a better knowledge about them because they were actually new to me and they were actually recommended by one of my friends. Then after a certain journey of 2 to 3 months, I really found the result from them. The sales has been literally hiked after doing SEO with them for 2-3 months. So after doing that for Chennai sector, I really got a better hope from them that they are really good. Now I wanted to extend this SEO to South India. So they really helped me well and I was actually speaking to Miss Banu of their team and Banu was literally down to earth with me. Whenever I question him, even it is morning or afternoon, whenever I WhatsApp her or I give a call, even she doesn't pick it also. She gave me a call immediately and asking me what should I do, what should I help her in that way. So they were really awesome. I have no doubt about them. I will really recommend them to anybody in the industry. So my journey with Xcodefix was awesome. I will really appreciate them for doing such work and the kindness they have on us and their trust. They also showed their trust on us. That was marvelous. My suggestion in this scenario is you do any business. SEO is really important to grow your business. As I choose Xcodefix, I think my partner is great right now because I am investing on my own website. I'm trying to improve my website visibility to customers where I need not pay anybody indirectly to bring my industry top in the market. No, it's me who have to decide whether I have to bring the industry up or me who have to decide whether I need to stop it. So if I'm going to do this, I'm going to gain really good result. If not, no, it's really hard. So trusting other people in the market, my suggestion, what my journey of 15 years has come to an end stating you invest on your business and you see the result than depending on others. This is my suggestion to anybody.